Hey YouTube, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. This is Thomas with Mr. Fix-All Home and Garden in Raleigh, North Carolina, coming at you again. This is a little problem I had with this one yard. A customer wanted me to fix this drainage issue. Hi everybody, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. This is Thomas with Mr. Fix-All Home and Garden in Raleigh, North Carolina. I haven't uploaded the original part of this video. It was just basically me demoing this concrete slab out and getting prep for that. And this is the part two where I'm actually finishing it out, and I just wanted you to see the finished product. Okay, great. Let me just turn this around. And like I said on the first video, these drainage spouts right over here, and there was another one around the corner like I showed you there by that holly. They were all feeding in into this area right here, and they connected into a two-way right here, and then of course they rigged up some sort of little pressure pop-up valve right in this area here, and all the water was draining across the concrete and basically making a mess of everything, and broke the slab. And the slab is cracking all the way on the outer lip up there. The last 10 feet is just breaking away. So what I did was I connected all the drainage pipes as 2-into-1 system, and then basically put PVC underground, dug this all out. And the guys who poured this concrete slab, let me just say this, man, they poured right there in the middle section, was 10 inches thick. And I mean, talk about a bear to get out of there. I mean, it literally took me 11 hours to remove and bust up with a jackhammer this section. But I just finished sanding it, laying it, and of course paver set. That's what I'm using right here, paver set, Plumatic, sand. And look at the detail work here, just to finish work. I had to rebuild this corner, so I want to put a little scraping edge design in there. I accidentally spilled some sand over there in that corner, but that ain't no big deal. But you can see how I made put it all together. See? Nice finishing touches. And then tomorrow I'm going to come out and cut the ends off over here and put this back strip on it, of course. There you go. And here's the PVC pipe that I ran. It's got a blow-off valve on the end, a top, and that way rodents can't get in it. But when it's got water coming out of it, it'll just blow off and come straight out just from sheer pressure. See, it'll just release, and then you close it, and nothing can get in it. And I built this little ridge over here so the water will trap itself and kind of keep going that way. But there you go. The inlay is done. Took 3.5 days from start to finish to do this. But the one thing I promised her, because her bedroom window's right there, when she looks out, she wants to see something nice, really nice. And I haven't watered it down yet to get the remnants off the top, but I'm getting ready to do that here in a few minutes. But I wanted to show you this final product. There you go. Well, what do you think? Good work, huh? Well, that's quality, and this is a referral. So, that's the way it goes. You guys, set your standard here or here, and I promise you, when you set your standard up here, and oh, by the way, a couple landscaping guys came out here too, and she's going to get ready to farm that gig out. And the first guy showed up. He was an idiot. I'm telling you. She even came outside and told me, Tom, this guy's an idiot. He doesn't even know what in the world's going on. He doesn't know how many yards of mulch this place needs. In other words, he basically didn't even take any measurements. Come on, guys. Think about that. She's here to hire somebody. Second guy came. He was pretty decent. Came out this afternoon. He was suffering from a cold. I think we all are. And, he seemed to be, his head was screwed on a little bit more straighter, and she called him back on his answering machine and said, pretty much, come on out and let me sign a contract with you for 1 year. I'll give you 1 year. So there you go. There's business everywhere in Raleigh. Okay, well, I just want to show you this little part of my stonework, cutting through 10 inches of concrete, and, no drawings, just, she said, fix the water problem. Guys were coming out here, all kinds of silly estimates, crazy stuff, 10,000, and really not even giving her a game plan to do anything. What are you going to do? How are you going to fix this thing? None of that, And of course now she trusts me. She said, Tom, what are you going to do? And I said, this is exactly what I think, and this is the way it should be approached. This is the way I should do it. You know, the way we both should have handled this thing. And she says, great. She says, frickin' go for it. She says, sounds like you know what you're talking about. But anyway, here's the end result, guys. 10-inch of concrete. Connected all the downspouts into a main pipe. PVC, ran it all the way underground at least 12 inches. And fixed a bad spot up there. Getting ready to cut all these corners and make this nice and smooth and straight, so you got a beautiful line that connects into the primary concrete. And there you go. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching Mr. Fix-All Home and Garden in Raleigh, North Carolina. And this is another series. And oh yeah, by the way, she gave me another job. She wants me to fix that whole area up there. She says it looks too cheesy and trailer park looking.